Hi guys, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I post a video. And of course, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always subscribing. Today I wanted to use my mirror, however it's kind of dirty, but anyways I'll clean it. So today's video, as you've already read, I'm going to show you what I've used this theory. You see, anyway, fasting is nice for your soul but also for your body. Now see the body I have. Anyway, so I'm from fasting 3 days Esther fast. Of course, I've been taking some water every evening, like 2 cups of water. And today marks the last day and you see the joy on my face. So today we are going to prepare a meal of how I'm going to break my Esther fast. Remember, sorry for that disturbance, the sound. Remember, it's 3 days without you eating, without you putting anything in your tummy. So you need to be careful as you're breaking this fast. Come, let's go together to the market, shop what we are going to use, come back, cook, and wait for that time. Okay, I might break it today, like at 12 a.m. this night, or tomorrow morning, but I'll see. But I just wanted to do the video today just in case tomorrow I'm so busy and I have to run here and there. Okay, let's get started. Welcome to Elsie's channel. I want watermelons. Not a video. So guys, I've come to the supermarket, but I'm not seeing watermelons. But it's good for your health since you fasted like for those 3 dry days. So I'm going to look for what they have. You have juice. You have. So I'm going to buy juice and maybe some bananas, then I get the sauce. And we spice it up. Oh, what believe time? Oh no, I make.
You want to sound bitter. I believe this. You know, I believe this.
I told time.
Wetano wabera webbote ezenkunya
Thank you. No, I don't know. I really want a cake that has icing sugar. I feel like that cake. But also this one. So how should I take? I don't know, you will see what I would have. So guys, I'm taking a mango and then avocado. Also I'm taking onion. I also take some tomatoes. I don't have tomatoes. And yes, I don't have. You love nakati. So people, I'm going to start with cooking the rice. I didn't show you, but the water is already ready. And since it's all about showing you what I'm going to cook, only not how I'm cooking it, so I'm just showing you what I'm going to cook. There is no reason of me showing you how I'm cooking it. So I'm going to cook white rice, not pilau. And you're going to see how I cook my white rice. It is 1 cup already. So these are the greens that I'm going to cut, and since I am alone, I decided to get these ones. But yeah, as you're breaking your fast, you can use them, because number one thing why you have to use them is that they are healthy. To use them, they are healthy. So, and they add a supplement. I'm going to search and put it here, but yeah, they do add a supplement. Do you people love this? Don't love this on my. Actually, let me just do like this. This is also another method. So we are not very many. I don't know why I have to do what I was doing. So yeah. Guys, I've also done this. These are daddies with some small cookies and some skits with this cake, which I've not yet diced. But yeah, you can do this for your dessert. Like, yeah. And then these fruits, you can add yogurt. You can add as many fruits as you have. So yeah, these are the fruits that I'm going to first eat before eating. So of course now I'm going to add in the onions. Ooh. Guess what I'm cooking? The fish I told you about. Guys, I've done this, I think it's 7. If it's not 7, then it's 8. Because I'm ending the fast today, like at midnight. This is the 3rd day. So I couldn't like do it at night. Like at night, because you didn't see everything. But still, you see it is dark. And then I had service from the whole of the evening time till like around 6. So I had to go shop things and all that. So that's why I did everything right now. But you realize that my introduction, like, it was still bright and thin. But yeah, still God is with us and the light is good. Let's go finish the cooking, take our pictures, and yeah, you get something out of that. So guys, don't mind. My dressing mirror is my dining table and all that. So this is the juice. Yeah, I still have some leftovers, like in the bottle. But yeah, this is what I'm going to start with. Yeah, let's go put the greens. Ooh, our sauce is ready. So I put some onions. Let's wait for the final thing. So everything is ready. I'm here making this rice very well presentable, and yeah, I'll be back Wait, or if you don't know how to do it, let me just do it for you people to see. So you see, you put in rice and you do like this, then you add in, you continue doing like that. Then you do, and after you put on a plate. So this is the plate, and let us put on the sea. Are you seeing how it has come out? So we are done with the rice. So let me also put the greens and chapatis, and I'll be back. So guys, this is my bowl. I love it, by the way. I got it from a trip when we went to Kasese, and this, ooh, it's put in our bowl, and this big one. Okay. And guys, this is it. Ooh, this is the sauce, and this is the food. Oh my god, look at that food. Aish! Let me even first take a picture. So guys, for these fruits, you can put yogurt, you can put honey as what you want. So this is water, this is my juice. I told you I still have some other juice there. This is fish, but I'm going to put the name here of the fish. And yeah, I love chapati so much. So you might not want chapati, you might want matoke, you might want some other meal, but yeah, this is how I'm breaking my fast. And of course, this is cake. I finally kata it. Yeah, I sliced it in pieces. So these are biscuits, cookies, and daddies. And yeah, this is the whole presentation. This is the aerial view. So yeah, and thank you so much guys for watching. Hope this video has been well for you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Yes, otherwise I'm going to eat this. I don't know if I like it as well, then I'll show you while I'm eating this. So have a lovely day, and bye. Hope you fast as well. So that God replies you prayers. Bye.